Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute. Bournemouth 0 and Chelsea 0. I beg if you never subscribe to the YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. And we get Oga Hope, we be like, Obunga Chelsea fan, Obunga person, make can tell us about how you see this game. Oga Hope, 5 games into the season, 5 points for Chelsea. How you see this performance from Chelsea, Oga Hope?
My brother, in the very first place, if we dey talk about performance, if Chelsea no hold on to their own, you know say they for lose the match. But for their own, they don't play as their strength reach, and they don't get what they feel say that ain't good for them, which is a draw. I know we say that bad game, but when we dey look as per Chelsea compared to Bournemouth, you know say that one na win-win. If na win be say na Chelsea, as of Chelsea of maybe let's say 4 or 5 seasons ago, and the kind of players we will get compared to the players we will get now, you know say Bournemouth can never be a match to Chelsea. So as it stands now, Chelsea still have a lot of work to do. Work plenty, both the coach and the owners. Let me say the owners, they don't do what they feel say they're supposed to do by giving the players. But me, I feel say they don't do enough. Because if you watch before the season starts, the coach been the lament on experienced players. Then they go market, they buy players. And all the players where they buy, now underage players, let's say teenagers, and when they buy these players, they are not giving them chance. When they integrate into the first 11, they will send them on loan. So which people will be the experienced players where you buy now? Give the coach to play the first 11. Now be waiting Chelsea they face. Until Chelsea learn, or the owners they learn how to buy players and buy an experienced players when no waiting Premier League they talk, or we go fit challenge other of their players by not using teenagers. See the chances now. How many chances they create? The little one where they create is supposed to convert them, but they don't fit convert them. So the match don't end for draw for today. So I believe say the draw, where they draw today, may they thank God say they draw the match. Then are waiting they deserve for the match. If not, they're winning for Bournemouth. And they should give kudos to the keeper. We're gonna keep an eye safe Chelsea today. I'm the man of the match for me today too.
So Oga Hope, make I ask you about this. Make I ask you about the goal which Chelsea not defeat the score. Because you get waiting, somebody just even they talk and say over 0.5, Chelsea no fit even do. What do you get talk about these goals when they had Chelsea to score? And this one no be today wahala. It don't dey from last season. We dey see and they come from last season. This season, the same wahala. What do you get about these goals when Chelsea no defeat the score?
You see, when we talk about creative midfielder, boss-to-boss midfielder, when you don't have these people in place, you don't expect goals to come from the attacker. That are the waiting Chelsea they pass through now. What during the time of Hazard? What during the time of Fabregas? When Fabregas look up, as a creative midfielder, he go see Diego Costa, he go lob in the ball. Hazard go see, he go drive in, he go enter. But even as it stands now for the Chelsea players, nobody they feel they drive. They enter inside that 18-yard box. Not to create a chance for the attacker to position or the striker to position to score the goal. Then I'm waiting Chelsea they pass through. So even me as it stands today, I even lost say with me and somebody one-on-one. Say we'll bet 300 naira. He said Chelsea not score 2 goals. I bet I said Chelsea score 2 goals. At the end of the day, I lost. Because me, I know say I want just better. Nobody say I know say Chelsea no go fit. Say Chelsea no go score 2 goals. Because if you watch right from all the matches, apart from that Luton match, now the only match where we say we don't pass 1 goal. The rest is either we play goalless or we lose. Or we play 3-1 or 2-1. Just like that. So for Chelsea now to begin to score goal, we need to have those creative midfielders, box-to-box midfielders, for the attacker to position and not for the attacker to be falling deep to collect ball, to make move. No, that is the only way Chelsea can superhead this not scoring even over 5.5 or over 0.5 goals. If you continue like this, my brother, so it will be. Until we get that miss, or maybe when Nkunku comes back, or maybe Jackson, like James, or this other guy again, what do they call him, Chukwemeka, comes in. That is when we will begin to see that kind of Chelsea. For Jackson to the position well. If you watch the preseason, you see the combination between Jackson and Nkunku. You see that for the preseason, they score goals. But since the season start, we feel say they go fit carry that preseason form enter the season, but Nkunku was out. Now this other guy was out. That thing na him be the downfall of Chelsea for that goal scoring form. Then I witness it for the scoring form.
So, Oga Opla, I want to ask you about Chelsea next game against Aston Villa. How you dey see that game? What do you dey expect the team to do differently, and what will be your score prediction?
Well, if we dey talk about Chelsea, Aston Villa, and away we see they go. If you watch the form of Aston Villa and then waiting Chelsea they play, I don't see that match unless say Chelsea won't surprise me. If Chelsea continue like this with what we play today, Aston Villa go beat us. Because Aston Villa no they like Bournemouth. If say Bournemouth they position or they make their move the way we say they're supposed to make, they for score Chelsea. Or let me say now the savior of the keeper for us today. If not, Bournemouth for winners. So if Chelsea continue like this with what they play today, I swear, yes, I will not see them at all at all. Unless they want to tell me say guy, now like say our bad form say end for today match. That is the only way. And when they want to tell me say our bad form end for today match, may they prove me wrong for that Aston Villa match. Then I go not believe say yes, Chelsea they don't wake up. If not, my brother, Aston Villa go win us.
So your score prediction before I let you go.
Score prediction. If it goes in time of Aston Villa winning, they go win us 2-0. That's my score prediction.
All right, now, Oga Op, thank you for your time.